Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidy, and today's video we're just going to be doing a review of my new phone, Samsung A20. For those who are interested about my opinion about this budget phone that just being advertised right now. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and please share. So what I've got here is, yes, my phone. I just recently got it. I've only had it for a few days. I've purchased my screen protector, my case. It should be coming in today as we speak right now. And today's is the Thursday. And this is the Samsung A20. You can see me recording, hahaha. It's like a black gray kind of look, texture of it. Here's with the flash on, so you can see better of the texture. As you can see, it has two cameras on there, and a flash, and a touch finger pad, which I've already set up my password, so when I touch that, it'll turn on for me. See? And as you see, it has a little camera in front. So let me just turn off the flash really quick. Alright, so what I have here is, I already put in the new screensaver and for both, and let me unlock it, touchpad, and it's only been a few, like 3 days having this on my hand. I'd say I do recommend it. It's like pretty simple. You can look at the quality if you like. As you can see, it has like a nice quality. You guys are able to see it. Let's face me, how about that? Hello. So what it has, it got some live focus, pro, panorama, photos, videos, and got live focus. That's really cool. Has all of these kind of details. It gets switched out every time. So this is just photo, recording, all those little details it has. Alright, let's go home. We could go to settings. So I'm right here. Go to settings there. I'll just turn that flash off. Sorry for the movement, but I'm just here trying to get myself comfortable because I'm here using my other old phone to show you guys this new phone I got. And I've had it set up as dark display. This is what light display will do. I'll just change it. I go to, where was it? I know I was in display. There it goes. Night mode. Turn it off. It looks funky when it's like that, but now we're on lights. Time. So this is what we got going. It's funny and looking at all that. This digital part feeling looking, but it's got all the same basic stuff for a Samsung phone and everything being loaded. Contacts, call camera, gallery, Galaxy Store they have in here instead. These are the apps I've already recently downloaded that I've constantly used. I've already taken a photo right away once I took it out. And here's my recent photos. These ones are the ones I taken of the moon. And they came out better than this camera I have on my hand right now that I'm using to record. If you guys haven't checked this out, link will be, I'll leave it up here
Please check this out if you guys haven't seen it. But this is my phone. Got my Facebook, got my Instagram, got my Chime, got my TikTok, got that. And I got my beautiful baby in the background that I took, and it got Bixby home. It's got its Google going on. Pretty simple, but I'm pretty satisfied. Let's go with sounds. Let's go with the sounds. Well, I mean, for my part, I went to YouTube already and it sounded pretty good. Let's go click on her. She's just right there.
Join Pampers Club now and get a $30 Ergo Baby gift card. Plus, discover a wide range of tools.
So last week I tried to grow on Instagram. I experimented posting dumb photos to see what would get me famous. Guys, the results are shocking. So what did I learn from posting dumb Instagram?
It allows you to do this.
I get it. Instagram is just kind of strange these days. People complaining about low engagement.
It allows you to do the big version. I forget how you do it though. There you go. I guess you gotta zoom it in to fill it up. So it lets you have it full view. If not, shrink it out. Oh, original. So now I'm out of it. Not bad. I mean, not bad on the freaking everything about it. So I'd say it's a good quality budget phone for all of us, you know? Better camera, I do agree. This camera is better than the one I have compared to the Stylo 4. So I do recommend you guys the camera. Well, text messages. Let's go with here. Just making sure I'm trying to get to every detail about it. Got the contacts, recent over here, down here. The going back buttons here. Multimedia, and I'm just gonna close all because I don't need it. But as you can see, when you open, there's the ones that have been recently apps used are right here already. Hold on to the button will be Google, of course. I've already written down the Samsung notes on there. The calendar for the Samsung is pretty much okay, just like Google. There you guys go. Calendar pretty much, you know. So I'm gonna be recording everything on this phone now, on this budget phone, and I'll eventually compare the video for that if you guys are interested in, but so far this phone is better than this phone over here. And well, already reached the end of the video. It was just a little quick review and I'm already enjoying this phone. I really like it and I'll be using this phone a lot for my YouTube videos, so not bad for a budget phone. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next new video. Bye.